What is algorithm? It is clearly specified step-by-step process of solving particular problem. It is a set of rules that must be followed when solving specific problem. Algorithm refers to set of instructions that can be executed by computer to produce desired result. All algorithms must satisfy five criteria or five conditions: input, output, definiteness, finiteness, correctness. First is input. What is input? Algorithm returns zero or more inputs. Next one is output. Algorithm should produce at least one output. Next one is definiteness. Steps or instructions clearly mentioned and ambiguously stated. Fourth one is definiteness. There are finite number of instructions. Without using any extra variable to write swapping two variables. Algorithm swap a comma b, a plus b, b equal to a minus b, a equal to a minus b. This is the swapping of two numbers without using any extra variable. Next topic is pseudocode convention for expression. This topic everybody knows. Uh, this is the C language topic. This is all syntaxes covered in this topic. Convention for expression. Here, comments begin with semicolon. Comments begin with double slash and continue until end of the line. Without blocks are indicated with matching braces, open and close. Third, compound statements can be represented as a block. This is blocks in example of statements are identifies with letter. Point. Assignment values of to variable is done using assignment statement. This is the syntax of the assignment statement. Variable equal to expression. The expression is assigned to the seventh point. There are two Boolean values, true and false. Logical operators are and, or, not operations. Point relational operators less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Ninth point, elements of multi-dimensional array are accessed using open bracket. For example, if take a two-dimensional array, the ith elements of the array is denoted as a of I comma j. Array indices start at 0.
సార్
10th point.
పీపీటీ కనిపించదు సార్.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
సార్ పీపీటీ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Huh?
ఇప్పుడు
కనపడట్లేదా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది
10th point. 10th point. Looping statements are while repeated until means do while loop and for loop. Next 11th point, general form of while loop is general form of while loop is while condition open the while loop condition. As long as condition is true, the statement gets executed. Otherwise, loop is the value of the condition is evaluated at beginning of the loop. Next, the general form of repeated until. Repeated until means do while loop. Repeat statement 1, statement 2, and so on, statement n until condition. How to execute the repeated until? Here, statements are executed as long as condition is false. The value of condition is computed after execution of the statement. Next general form of for loop is, this is the syntax for variable equal to value 1 to value n, step and do. This is the open bracket, statement 1 and statement 2 and so on, statement n. Next, conditional statements as the following form. Everybody knows conditional conditions. Hello? Conditional statements. If condition, then statement, and then statement. Second one is if condition, then statement 1 as statement 2. Here, how to execute the statements. Here, condition is a Boolean expression, and statement 1, statement 2, statement either simple or compound statements. Next one is case statements. Case state nothing but a switch case. This is the syntax of the switch case. This is the syntax of the switch case. Here, if condition 1 is true, condition 1 is true, statement 1 is executed and case statement is exited. If statement 1 is false, condition 2 is evaluated. If condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is executed, and so on. If none of the conditions are true, the statement n plus 1 is executed and loop is exited. Here, inputs and outputs are done using the instructions, read and write operations. No format is used to specify size of the input or output quantities. Algorithm consisting of head and body. The head takes the following form. Algorithm, this is the syntax of the heading. Algorithm name bracket parameter list, where name is the name of the procedure and parameter list is a listing of procedure parameters, and body has one or more simple or compound statements enclosed within the braces open and close. This is the algorithm and pseudocode conventions. This is I think everybody knows pseudocode conventions expressions. This is the pseudocode conventions for expressions and algorithms.